When Danish airport security decided to confiscate my rocket blower on a recent trip, I'd already done some mild research into these new electrical blowers, so when I got back I decided to reach out to a company called VSGO to see if they'd be interested in sending me a review unit, which they did, and they also sent you a little something, but more on that at the end of this video. Now, the thing that I really liked about their model was their slightly different approach to the overall design. I figured this would give me a bit more or slightly better ergonomic properties and make it a bit more user-friendly, if you will. And comparing specs between a few different options, I also noticed that the VSGO had the highest output among all of these options, which I also think can make it a bit more efficient and a bit more versatile if you want to be able to use it for other things than just gear cleaning. Now, when it comes to actual cleaning, the attachment that I find myself using the most is the little brush attachment. And I don't think I have to sit here and explain just how convenient it is to have this kind of blower-brush combo when you're cleaning things. The maximum fan speed on this little unit is 100,000 RPMs, which is kind of mind-boggling in itself. It creates airflows with a speed of up to 75 miles per hour or 120 kilometers per hour, give or take. But you can adjust the output in 3 different stages by pressing the little power button here at the bottom. And you can also, by pressing the power button and the fan button at the same time, toggle between manual and continuous mode, where the fan either runs while you hold down the button or starts and stops with a single press. There really isn't much more to it than that, even if it may seem a bit more like rocket science compared to a rocket blower. There's a little air filter that you have to install here in the back once you unpack or unbox this thing, but that's pretty much it. The one thing that I didn't like, at least not in the beginning, was the placement of the little LED light here at the bottom of the blower. Let's see if I can get this started. Oh yeah, like this. But after using this thing here for a while, I don't think it's such a bad idea to have it down here anyway. You clean, you get the brushes out of the way, you do a flashlight inspection, and just hit it again if needed or move on to the next area. So in that sense, I think it does what it's supposed to do, and it does it quite well. Would have been nice to have like an optional LED up here, but not something that would start or shine whenever you hit the button here. That would make special shots like the bottle cap shot more difficult if you had to flag off that LED and that kind of stuff. But yeah. I wasn't 100% sure if this would actually work or if I'd find myself going back to or buying another rocket blower instead of the cheap knockoff that I decided to get when I was kind of in between cleaning gear. But I think I'll actually stick with the VSGO. I don't think airport security will suspect that I'm up to no good or planning something evil when traveling with this thing, as they did when they found that rocket blower in my suitcase. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that as well. Now, VSGO was kind enough to provide a discount code for you guys if you want to get one of these for yourself. So check out the description of this video for more details on all that fun stuff. I'm not sure if it's going to be an affiliate link or not, but hey, the main thing is that you are getting a discount when you're buying one of these using that link. So yeah, I think that's going to be it. I want to thank you for stopping by, and I also want to thank VSGO for providing me with this review unit and that discount for you guys. And I hope I'll see you here in the next video. So until then, goodbye.